Hi, fourth graders. Welcome to day 4 of vocabulary. By now, you should be knowing our 5 words pretty well. We have temporary, capable, proceed, eager, and generous. Hopefully, you have been filling out each day what you need to in your vocabulary journal. The first day, the first page, graphic organizers, should be completely finished with the definition, the sentences, the synonym and the antonym. Yesterday, on Wednesday, you will have filled out the wow word page with the word telescope. And what you may have also realized is right at the end of your vocabulary journal, there is actually a picture dictionary page. And after that, you have some pages that look like this. So you have a picture dictionary at the back. And what I want you to know is it's actually been shown that our brains work a lot better if we remember new words better when we have a picture associated with them, especially if we have drawn the picture ourselves. Remember, we talked about how our brains make connections between neurons. This is another way that we help our brains remember. So instead of just knowing the word eager, if we have drawn a picture or we have a picture in our minds that we think of when we think of the word eager, it really does help us remember those words and even help us remember how to spell those words if we picture that word in our minds. So in the back of your reading journal, on the very back page, I hope that you have got those 5 words written and then copied. Every day, just take some time to copy those words out 3 or 4 times each, so that by the time we come to tomorrow, the end of the week, you will have had lots of practice thinking about those words, writing about those words, putting them in sentences. Today, we're going to draw pictures, and tomorrow, it's going to be your chance to show me that you know how to write and use those words. So let's just have a look at some other pictures of these words. For temporary, we have a little picture of a girl with face paint, something that's not going to last forever. For capable, we have this little picture of a boy helping in the kitchen, cracking an egg, having the ability to do something. For proceed means to continue after a pause or a stop or an interruption, or to carry on. So we've got some children waiting in a line and waiting for their turn before it's time to proceed. Eager, to be excited or enthusiastic. We have this image of this boy who is just looking so excited and enthusiastic about his baseball. Generous, we have this image of someone with open hands, like they're sharing, and we have money in the hands to help us remember that's kind of freely sharing or giving. And I would like you to think of your own way to remember each word or a picture. It does not matter how good you are at drawing or sketching or what kind of an artist you are, but it just needs to be your picture and something you will remember. So for your picture dictionary, you need to write the word on the line, like I've written eager here, you can see on the screen, and then think of what picture you could sketch or draw that would make you think of eager. Okay, so I know on this one, this is not one I drew myself because it's a lot easier when I'm working on the computer to just put an image in. But I want you with pencil and paper to draw. You can color it or not, it's completely up to you. But you stick an image in your brain by drawing your own picture, a little sketch that will remind you when you look at it what that word means. So what would generous mean to you? Think of a time when someone's been generous to you and sketch a little picture of that. Okay, think about a time you've been eager and sketch a little picture of that to help you remember. Thinking of something that's been temporary for you that you can think of, sketch a little picture. Okay, make the pictures meaningful to you to help you remember what the words mean. This is really going to help you build your vocabulary.